Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to use wire transition directive in Laravel Livewire. So let's get started with an example and let's see that. So if I go here, I've already created product create page, okay, and created a component. So if I go here, you can see that there is already blade file over here and simply over here a class file, okay. So what I will do, first of all, I will add one checkbox over here. So I will simply copy this, okay, and remove this one, okay, and here I will simply say remove this and I will use 4 and sorry, not from 4 I will use and give like featured product, okay, save it, okay, and here I will be add one input that type should be checkbox, okay, and name will be is featured, okay, and label should be like is this product, is this product, is this feature product, so I will say feature product, okay, it's question mark, okay, and if I go here and simply refresh, you can see that is this feature product, okay. If I say yes, then it should be asked another question, why this is feature product, okay. So if I go here and then I will say simply add like wire, okay, and I will simply say model and I will add is featured, okay, simply save it, okay. So I will same thing, I will say featured product, okay. If there is a featured product, then I will add if condition over here and I will say is featured. If there is featured, then I will say and if, okay, save it, okay, and here what I will do, simply add and I will take another that's called empty3, okay, and take another input over here. So I will simply copy this one, paste it over here and I will say reason of featured product, okay. So you need to give the reason why this is featured product, okay, and I will simply add class name, okay, and name I will say reason, I will simply add reason and I will add another variable over here that's called dollar reason, save it, okay, and here I will be add some lorem maps already over here. So simply I will use small and lorem, save it, okay, and if I go here and refresh, you can see that by default it's not showing why this is feature product, okay. If I click on it, you can see it's doing nothing, but what I need to do, simply go here and first of all I need to add over here that's called id, and that's id I need to put this, save it, okay, and okay, and if I go and check it, but that is nothing happen. So what I will do, simply call dot live and also I forgot is feature over here, save it, okay, and now what I will do, simply refresh and click on it, you can see that. So if you choose, if you like, if you unselect, then it's disappear. If I click, you can see that, so it's coming but it's working fine, but you can see that there is no effect on it. So what we will do, we will use wire transition property over there, okay. So if I go here and here I will be use wire transition property, simply save it, okay, and if I refresh it and if I check, you can see that there is some effect to showing the data, okay. So let me refresh and show you again. If I click on it, you can see that it's coming from the like some effect with the showing data. So if you go to the documentation, there is many more options as well, like opacity and transform and all. So I will use origin and I will do top, save it, okay, and if I go here, refresh and click on it, you can see it's coming from the top side, okay. Same thing if I do bottom, save it, and if I click on it and if I click on checkbox, you can see that it's coming from the bottom. Same thing if I go and I will say right side, and if I go and check it, you can see that it's coming from the right side. If I go, you can see that. Same thing I can use left side, save it, refresh, and if I click on it, you can see that its effect from the coming left side. So you can also use another like duration, delays, and all the things. Okay, so right now I just show you simply transition property, how we can use it. So if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys.